Hello everyone, you are welcome back again. We're going to solve for the value of x from this beautiful exponential equation. We are given that 3x raised to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of x plus 10. Then we are asked to solve for the value of x from this equation. So if you look at the right hand side of this equation, we have 3 raised to the power of x plus 10. So we are going to recall that when we have a raised to the power of m plus n, which is in this form, this can be simplified as what? A raised to the power of m multiplied by a raised to the power of n. So this is multiplication property of indices. So therefore, in the right hand side, we have 3 raised to the power 3x raised to power x, which is equal to, so this is in this form, so we can rewrite in this form where the base is 3. So this is going to be what? 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 10. So our interest is to bring the variable we are looking for into one side of the equation. So therefore, we are going to divide both sides by 3 raised to the power of x in order to eliminate this. So we are going to divide the left hand side by 3 to power x and also the right hand side by 3 to the power of x. So that this 3 to power x is going to cancel this 3 to power x. Then we are left with just 3x raised to the power of x all over 3 raised to the power of x, which is equal to 3 raised to the power of 10. Now, the next thing we are going to do, remember this 3, this x, this power x is only affecting this x because there is not inside bracket. So this 3 is alone. So we need to cancel this 3 by divide both sides of this equation by 3. So we can divide this or we multiply by 1 over 3 of both sides. So when we divide this by 3, we do the same thing to the right hand side so that this 3 can cancel this 3. So in the left hand side here, we are left with just x raised to the power of x over 3 raised to the power of x, which is equal to 3 to power 10 all over 3. Recall that when we have a raised to the power of m over a raised to the power of n, this is the same as what? A raised to the power of m minus n. So this is division property of indices. When the bases are the same, we just write one of the base, then we subtract the power. Here 3 can also be written as what? 3 to the power of 1. So now we have 3, 3. The bases are the same. We write one of the base, which is 3, then we subtract the power. 10 minus 1 is going to give us 9. So the next thing we're going to do is to record that when the power is the same, so we can take the power out. Here we have 3 raised to power x, then x raised to the power of x. So we can rewrite this as what? X over 3 raised to the power of x, because when we have a raised to the power of x all over b raised to the power of x, so since the power are the same, we can write it as what? A over v all raised to the power of x. So the power is the same, we just take it out. So this is what happened here. X and x, we just take it out and rewrite the two bases. So we are going to have equal to 3 raised to the power of 9. So now, in an exponential equation, recall that when we have a raised to the power of a equal to b raised to the power of b, so this is the same as what? A equal to b. When the base and the power are the same, and also in the right hand side, the base and the power are the same, we just pick one here and pick one and equate. This is going to be our value. So we want to write our equation into this form so that we can make the power and the base to be the same. Here we have x over 3. Now, what are we going to do to make this to be x over 3? Is by when we multiply by 1 over 3. When we multiply x by 1 over 3, it's going to be the same as x over 3. And when we do anything to one side of the equation, we must also do to the second side of the equation. So this is going to be what? This is going to be x over 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 1 is the same as x then over 3. As you can see, the base and the power is the same. Now let's try if this is also going to be the same. So here we are going to have 3 raised to the power of 9 multiplied by 1 is 9. Then 9 divided by 3 is the same as 3. So we have successfully made the power and the base to be the same in both sides. Then we apply this property. Well, we just pick one here and pick one here and equate. Now we pick one of this, which is going to be x over 3. Then equal to, we pick one here, which is just 3. Now to get the value of x, we just cross multiply. So x now will be equal to 3 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 9. So therefore, 9 is the value of x that satisfies this given exponential equation. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.